Morning, everybody. It's Friday. What, August 5th, 6th? I don't know. That's time. There's the temp. This is definitely what you're going to call a John Kerry day today. Yeah, I think a high is going to be 101. You got to remember that's at around, I think yesterday at 4% humidity. And not a cloud in the sky. Clear, sunny. Breeze every now and then. What a beautiful day. Well, anyway, remember this valance that I had up in that shelf? You know, the valance, dumbass. I meant to say cowl panel, but that's the boo-boo right there. I got a little ambitious with the buffer and did a little there and did a little there. Other than on the face of it, other than those three areas, oh, and there too, those four areas, this panel came out perfect. I mean, it's nice. Then you look at the front, which is going to be under the hood, and that's something, I don't know what happened to that. Doesn't look like even clear was even put. See, this was sanded or cleared or anything. And a lot of this white is just the buffing compound from when I buffed up here. So, school of thought is, first of all, I'm out of the white pearl. I don't have any more. And if I choose to, and I don't choose to get any more, these came out beautiful. I like them. I mean, it's just, you just got to please me now. And so they came out beautiful. I like them. So right off the bat, I'm going to have to mask these off, both of them. So I can always back tape right around here and do the same here and the same here after I, you know, sand these down a little bit, and then take a Scotch-Brite pad. And this is my school of thought, and buff the rest of this, and then turn around and mix up some blue paint here and here and here and there. And also, after you clean up the face, we paint down here too. Take the masking tape off once you're done with the blue, and then clear. And these are already buffed, roughed up a little bit with the Scotch-Brite pad, and then clear the whole panel. That's what I'm thinking. Anybody out there has a better idea or simpler idea, let me know. I mean, the only fallback is on the matrix clear I want to use. I like this universal clear. This is the slow hardener, 006. I think 008 is the super slow, and 005 is normal, the normal hardener. And I don't have that much left. I don't think there's enough in here to sit there and clear this panel and give me a couple of good coats on it. So I'm looking to buy another coat, another can of it, and the only thing that Amazon sells it, but it gives me the 005. I could use it, the 005 I could use on a day like today, because look at the temp in the garage. It's a 95. So I think the 005 would work on a day like today. But that's where I'm at. So I got to get some more clear. I got blue, and we go from there. So if anybody has a better idea, let me know in the comments. And speaking of comments, I want to thank everybody for watching, subscribing, and of course the comments. Got a live show later on this afternoon, and so come join us, and see you then. Later.